our main break. The parking lot in front of the store is flooded, but it didn't appear that nearby businesses were in trouble. There's no word yet on the extended damage inside that store. Now 2 minutes past the top of the hour, let's check our forecast with Justin Fanfarelli.
And we have a cool start, but plenty of sunshine to start off today. Temperatures on their way up with a lot of sunshine lasting through the afternoon. Here's what it's going to look like for your afternoon planner. A high of 79 degrees as we stay dry and a lot warmer than we have been compared to last week and the week before that. Let's take a look at the current temperatures. We had a cool start because of the clear skies and the light wind into the mid to upper 50s across the southern half of our viewing area, and temperatures into the low to mid 50s into the northern half of our viewing area, with the exception of the Hallock area at 48 degrees. Really cool air up in that direction. Now, most of our Minnesota counties are dealing with some fog. Our North Dakota counties looking at good visibility right now. Here's where we have the densest fog in a line from northern Grant County between Fergus Falls and Wadena, Detroit Lakes, and the Park Rapids area, and Fosston and Bemidji. Some areas reporting zero visibility, also dense fog in the Hallock area and into the Baudette area right now. With the satellite loop showing mainly clear skies, all of the rain missing us off to our east. And we have a lot of sunshine going through the day today as temperatures rise through the 50s, 60s, and 70s. Some areas near 80 degrees for today's high as we stay relatively dry. And then going through the evening, we do have a slight increase in the clouds, and we're tracking the chance of some showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow afternoon. Some of them could be strong to severe, but we do have more warm air in store as we go through the start of next week. And we'll tell you what days we're going to have sunshine and when the next chances of storms are to start next week. That's coming up later in the newscast.
Thank you, Justin. A lot of people have been
Storm Team Skycam Network shot in. And welcome back to the Valley today. Let's take a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo, where we do have good visibility in Fargo. Mostly sunny skies, but looking off on the horizon into to our east, into Minnesota, we do have some very dense fog across Lakes Country and into northwestern Minnesota. Mostly sunny skies. Temperatures rising through the 60s and through the 70s with highs near 80 degrees today as we keep mainly sunny skies, and a light westerly wind 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures around the region, 56 in Fargo, mid to upper 50s, Jamestown Valley City, some low 50s across Lakes Country. Making our way further north, we do have low to mid 50s across most of the northern half of our viewing area. Now here's where we are seeing the worst of the fog. Some very dense fog across portions of Lakes Country, say between Fergus Falls, Wadena, Staples, just off to the east of Detroit Lakes and Park Rapids. Some areas reporting less than a half-mile visibility, and between Fosston and Bemidji, also some very dense fog. Be very aware of this if you're traveling in this area going through the morning. Also some dense fog reported with less than a mile visibility into the Baudette area and just off to the east of the Hallock area. We are seeing mainly clear skies across the region. Otherwise, high pressure is working in. Most of the rain missing us off to the east this morning. The high giving us a lot of sunshine going through the day today. And we're tracking that cold front off to our north. That'll be here by tomorrow afternoon with our next chance of some showers and thunderstorms. So mostly sunny skies going through the day today. Temperatures into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. And then temperatures falling back into the upper 60s. A slight increase in the clouds going through the afternoon and evening today, and overnight we do have temperatures into the lower 60s, and then for the day on Saturday an increase in the clouds, some showers possible up north, but some strong to possibly severe thunderstorms into our southern counties and then into Lakes Country. The timing on this one is going to be from the late afternoon into early evening. Not a long duration event, a marginal risk of severe weather. One or two storms could contain damaging winds and large hail going through the afternoon, mainly south of I-94. Let's take a look at that extended forecast, and after we get past the storms for your Saturday, For Sunday and Monday, mostly sunny skies, temperatures rising from the upper 70s to mid 80s. And then another chance of some showers and thunderstorms for your Tuesday, a high of 83, lower 80s on Wednesday, and near 80 on Thursday, with mostly sunny skies and a slight chance of some showers and storms. There's your weather. Let's check in with Devin Fry, and he's got your Valley Today traffic on the move.
Thank you, Justin. Happy Friday, Red River Valley. We are continuing our look at the roadways throughout the
be replaced. Now 7:30 this Friday morning. Let's check our forecast with Justin Fanfarelli.
We got mostly sunny skies to start off the day today. After a cool start, we will warm it up pretty nicely as we keep a lot of sunshine with a light westerly wind into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees going through this afternoon. Temperatures across the region look like this, and to the mid 50s, Fargo, Valley City, upper 50s out toward Jamestown and Detroit Lakes, and still some lower to mid 50s on the map as you make your way from the Devil's Lake Basin into northwestern Minnesota and the Northern Valley. Here's another look at where we are seeing the densest fog making our way from northern Grant County, portions of Otter Tail County just off to the south of Fergus Falls, reporting less than a half-mile visibility. It stretches up toward the Wadena area, Park Rapids, Bemidji reporting 0 visibility, also at Foston, and out toward the Badette area, and points off just off to the south, some dense fog in your area. Be aware of that. Over the next couple of hours, some fog still possible. We're getting a lot of sunshine, so hopefully it will burn off pretty soon. Mostly sunny skies across most of the region right now. That rain missing us well off to the east. So going through the day today, plenty of sunshine with temperatures rising into the upper 70s to near 80. Evening plans into the upper 60s and overnight lows into the lower 60s as we will keep partly cloudy skies tomorrow morning, and then an increase in the clouds. Some showers possible into the Devil's Lake Basin into the early afternoon, and some strong to possibly severe thunderstorms moving through, making our way through later on into the afternoon, into the early evening before we start to clear out, going through your overnight Saturday into Sunday. And we'll have the rest of the 7-day forecast. That's coming up a little later on in the newscast.
Thank you, Justin. President Donald Trump is lashing out again.
Side in the Valley News Live Storm Team.
Pricing every day on Queen sets starting at $348.
I could get you twice that.
And welcome back to the Valley Today. Let's take a live look outside on the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot at Luther Family Ford. This is I-29 at the 32nd Avenue exit. And looking off to the west, we do have nice clear skies, lots of sunshine, but temperatures starting off cool because we had a clear night and a mainly calm wind overnight period. So we're starting off into the upper 50s, but temperatures will be rising pretty fast through the 60s, 70s, and some places near the 80-degree mark with plenty of sunshine today. Still at 56 degrees in Fargo, but that's not going to last very longer. We have a lot of sunshine out there, mid to upper 50s into Lakes Country and out toward Jamestown and Valley City. And into the Devil's Lake Basin, some lower 50s and mid to upper 50s into the Northern Valley right now. So here's what we're looking at in terms of the fog. It is starting to lift pretty nicely across all of Otter Tail and Wadena County. Into Grant County, still dealing with some dense fog, especially into the eastern part of the county. Also some dense fog into the Foston to Bemidji to Park Rapids area and across Beltrami, Hubbard County, and off to the east of the Foston area. Some areas reporting less than a half-mile visibility. We'll give this another couple of hours and it'll all be gone because of the sunshine. High pressure in charge of our forecast, and we're tracking this cold front. It will make its way through tomorrow afternoon with a chance of some more showers and thunderstorms. And until then, we have mostly sunny skies. Temperatures rising through the 60s and 70s with high temperatures today into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees as we keep that light wind from a westerly direction. A slight increase in the clouds tonight, turning mostly clear to partly cloudy. Evening plans, temperatures into the 60s, and then we should be into the lower 60s for low temperatures. A chance of some showers tomorrow morning, mainly mainly into the Devil's Lake Basin, and some thunderstorms possible into the southern half of our viewing area. Some of them could be strong to severe as we make our way through later on to the afternoon. High temperatures tomorrow will be into the mid to upper 70s. Let's take a look at the severe storm risk right now. A marginal risk of severe weather, mainly from I-94 points off to the south. 1 or 2 storms on Saturday afternoon into early evening could be severe. But it looks again like the strongest storms will miss us off to the south into portions of eastern South Dakota. Again, the timing on this is going to be from the late afternoon to early evening, just off to the south of I-94. Let's take a look at that extended forecast. After we get past the storms for tomorrow, mostly sunny skies. Sunday and Monday, upper 70s to mid 80s to start off next week. Then lower 80s on Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday, a chance of some showers and storms, mostly sunny by Wednesday. Another slight chance of some storms with partly cloudy skies Thursday, a little cooler, a high near 80. There's your weather. Let's check in with Devin Fry now with your traffic on the move.
Thank you, Justin. Good morning, Red River Valley. We're finishing up our traffic updates this morning on I-29.
He's
The remediation. Taking that live look outside, it's turning into a pretty decent Friday out there for us this afternoon. Will it stay that way? For a check of our forecast, let's go to meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli.
And thank you, Jordan. Good afternoon, everybody. Temperatures across the region starting to get warm as across our Minnesota counties. We're into the lower 70s right now and already into the mid 70s from the Red River and points off to the west into central North Dakota, already into the upper 70s. So we've been cool for the past week and a half, and finally we're starting to warm up. Wind not really that much of a factor from the west at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. That will be the trend going through this afternoon, and we have almost complete sunshine across the region right now with all the clouds and the rain showers missing us well off to the north and to the west. Let's take a look at that planner for this afternoon. Lots of sunshine. Temperatures getting into the upper 70s and possibly into the lower 80s in some areas. We have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms as we go through the day tomorrow. Some of them could be strong to severe, and then we're back to the sunshine and the warm air to start next week. We'll have the full 7-day forecast coming up later in the newscast.
Thank you, Justin. Let's now take a look at this week's Valley.
And welcome back. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse. The Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo with plenty of sunshine as we made our way through the morning, and we have more sunshine now into early afternoon as temperatures with the sun and a warm westerly wind are on their way up. We are now at 75 degrees in the Fargo area, a little cooler making your way to Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, Valley City, lower 70s, mid 70s out toward Park Rapids and at Jamestown. Making our way further north, we're seeing mid 70s into the Northern Valley, Devil's Lake Basin, and lower 70s across northwestern Minnesota, with the winds mainly from a westerly direction, a nice warm flow, but the wind's not really that strong, 5 to 15 miles per hour, and they'll stay around that 10 mile per hour mark as we go through the afternoon. Let's take a look at the satellite loop, and we're not seeing much. We have complete sunshine across most of the area right now. Most of the clouds missing us well off to the east and well off to the north and west. We got this low pressure system that gave us the rain yesterday, still spinning around on the Wisconsin-Michigan border. High pressure working its way in, giving us the sunshine, and we're tracking this system off to our north. We have a cold front here that will approach and then move through as we go through tomorrow afternoon. Until then, we are mainly clear. Lots of sunshine, temperatures getting into the upper 70s and lower 80s across the region with that light westerly wind. A slight increase in the clouds during the overnight, and we will not be as cool for lows with most of us into the upper 50s and lower 60s. Then more of an increase in the clouds through Saturday into the morning, maybe a passing shower to the Devil's Lake Basin. We're looking into the southern half of our viewing area for the next chance of possibly some strong to severe storms in a very narrow window late late tomorrow afternoon to early tomorrow evening, we have a marginal risk of severe weather from I-94 points off to the south going through tomorrow afternoon into early evening, with 1 or 2 storms possibly containing large hail and damaging winds. Again, it looks like the strongest storms will once again miss us well off to the south into portions of eastern South Dakota. Now, after we get these storms out of here, the overnight Saturday into Sunday looks good. Decrease in clouds, turning mostly clear by Sunday morning. Another cool start into the lower 50s in most places, and lots of sunshine for Sunday. We tap into more of a southerly flow for Sunday and Monday. Temperatures on their way up with a lot of sunshine for Monday, and our next chance of some showers and storms comes on Tuesday. But temperatures staying warm through next week, as we will mainly be into the lower 80s. So for this afternoon, highs into the upper 70s and lower 80s, mostly sunny skies, turning mostly clear, temperatures falling into the upper 60s for evening plans with that light westerly wind, and our next chance of rain with the chance of some strong to possibly severe thunderstorms in our southern counties tomorrow afternoon. High of 75 degrees, 77 on Sunday, mostly sunny skies through Monday up to 85, then lower 80s on Tuesday, a chance of some showers and thunderstorms, 82 on Wednesday, mostly sunny, and another slight chance of some storms on Thursday, but staying warm for this time of year, a high of 80 degrees.
Oh, I think a lot of people are really going to like the return of those 80s.
Yeah, enjoy this afternoon, and again, we're back in the low 80s for most of next week.
Sounds good. Thank you, Justin. Straight ahead here at noon, we take a closer look at the dangers your children may face hidden in the apps on their cell phones.
Haven't you, sweet?
Yeah, we got sun. Yeah, we got sunny skies as we go through this afternoon. Temperatures getting into the lower 80s into the Fargo area with that wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour from a westerly direction. Low temperatures overnight around 61 degrees, so a little warmer to start off tomorrow than it was today, then a high of 75. We got more clouds and showers, possibly some severe thunderstorms in our southern counties going through tomorrow afternoon to early evening, and then more sunshine Sunday into Monday. Temperatures on their way up into the 80s through most of next week. More sunshine, but a couple chances for some showers and storms Tuesday and Thursday.
Turning to be a pretty good Friday.
Yep, it's going to be a great day today.
All right, thank you, Justin, and thank you for joining us here at noon. Have a great day.
On our No 8 weather, Justin?
And thank you, Katie. Good evening, everybody. We are tracking a line of strong to at times severe thunderstorms stretching across our viewing area right now. They stretch from just off to the south of Baudette, between Foston and Bemidji, between Fargo and Detroit Lakes, and down toward the Sisseton area. It looks like most of the severe thunderstorm warnings have expired, with the exception of one just off to the north of Sisseton. But we have multiple significant weather advisories up and down this line. So if you live off to the east of this line of thunderstorms into Lakes Country and northwestern Minnesota, you could have the possibility of 30 to 50 mile per hour winds and hail between dime and nickel size. So this will continue to move off to the east. If you're in locations of Lakes Country, including Otter Tail County, Becker County, Hubbard-Wadena County, and portions of Beltrami County from Bemidji points off to the east, you have the possibility of heavy rain, lots of lightning, damaging winds, and possibly some large hail. Now, going through this evening, there's your chance of some showers and thunderstorms, and there could be some post-frontal showers lasting into the early overnight. Temperatures after that front pass is really cooling down into the 60s. Now, after we get this storm system out of here, we have a nice end to the weekend and start to next week as we really start to warm up. We'll give you the details on that coming up later in the newscast.
All right, looking forward to it. Thanks, Justin. 2 children were sent to the hospital after a crash on Highway 59 this Aspirin can be used for more than your everyday headaches. Coming up on Valley News Live at 6, we'll tell you how it could be helping some cancer patients.
And a severe weather risk does last over the next few hours, especially into Lakes Country, where you could see some strong to severe thunderstorms with possible funnel clouds. We'll have the full details coming up next.
You're watching Valley News Live on TV.
Earn that degree you need to get the future you want. It's your time. Start now at rasmussen.edu.
Getting scammed? Call the whistleblower hotline.
And welcome back. Here's a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. Looking off to the east into Lakes Country right now. Really dark skies. We have some strong thunderstorms in that direction. Let's take a look at the radar and see where they are as of right now. We do have a line of some strong to at times severe thunderstorms just off to the south of Baudette, and they do stretch all the way to Sisseton. That includes areas just to the east of Bemidji, just off to the east of Detroit Lakes. You're next in line right over Barnesville and Breckenridge right now. And one severe thunderstorm warning between Sisseton and Wheaton right now with a quarter-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds possible. But up and down this line, you could see lots of lightning, heavy rain, and every once in a while, dime to penny-sized hail and up to 60-mile-per-hour winds with this one. And we do have the possibility of funnel clouds. So this is going to continue to move off to the east. It'll affect Lakes Country as we go through the next few hours. And then we should have a nice clearing trend. Current temperatures ahead of the front, temperatures into the 70s and lower 80s. But behind the front, much cooler and drier air. Devil's Lake at 59 degrees right now. That cold front stretching across our region. We have southerly winds ahead of it and breezy northwesterly winds behind it, just past through the Fargo area, but not yet to Detroit Lakes and Fergus Falls. So that's where it is right now. And here's a look at the dew points. Very humid ahead of it with dew points into the low to mid 60s, but very dry behind it with dew points into the 50s, making your way out toward Minot into the 40s right now. So here's that line again, stretching from Baudette to just north of Sisseton, and it will make its way through over the next few hours, and we'll have cloudy skies, possibly some post-frontal showers behind it. This is our main weather maker, and after this moves through, high pressure works its way in. And for the day on Sunday and Monday, lots of sunshine and temperatures on their way up. Still a marginal risk of severe weather for most of us, a slight risk into South Dakota, where they do have a severe thunderstorm watch, and that does encompass Brown, Marshall, and Roberts County. So the hour-by-hour forecast shows this line continuing to move off to the south and to the east with some showers possible tonight, and then a clearing trend overnight and through the morning tomorrow with mainly sunny skies. Low temperatures tonight into the low to mid-50s, and then as we make our way through the day tomorrow, highs getting into the mid-70s into the southern valley with lots of sunshine. That westerly wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour. A nice day. A little cool for this time of year. We should be closer to 80 degrees. Outside of the valley, some upper 60s into Lakes Country and lower 70s out toward Jamestown Valley City and into the Devil's Lake Basin. And then more sunshine through the day on Monday. Temperatures still continue to be on their way up. Some places into the upper 70s and lower 80s. But Monday evening is our next chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Some of them could be strong to severe, lasting through the overnight and into Tuesday morning. Let's take a look at that extended forecast. Now, Tuesday morning, there's your chance of some showers and storms, but that gets temperatures back down to the mid-70s. Mid-70s on Wednesday, mostly sunny and partly cloudy on Thursday, highs near 80. And approaching and going through next weekend, we have partly cloudy skies, more chances of some showers and thunderstorms, but temperatures staying warm into the low to mid-80s.
So we'll have to keep an eye on this evening, but it looks like the rest of the week doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, the rest of the weekend looks good too. Just have to deal with the storms moving through Lakes Country over the next couple of hours.
All right, well, thank you, Justin. A global study takes a look at who are weather. Justin?
And we have
on our website, valleynewslive.com.
All right, well, thank you, Alex. And one more from Jeremy, just south of Lisbon. Thank you, Jeremy. Now let's head on over to our meteorologist, Justin Fanfarelli, for the latest with our no-wait weather. Justin?
And thank you, Kate. Good evening, everybody. We're still tracking some showers and some rumbles of thunder moving through our far eastern counties right now. But right now, it looks like the severe weather threat is over as for most of us. And we're looking at just some showers as we go through the evening. Let's take a look at where we're seeing the rain as of right now across Ottertail County. Some showers showers. The thunder has now exited our viewing area via Wadena and Hubbard County. But if you live in Beltrami County, still some showers with some light to moderate rain. We have a clear spot up and down the Red River Valley, but more post-frontal showers are possible now from Jamestown and points off to the south. Now, as those storms made their way through, cooler and drier air pushed in as temperatures now ranging from the upper 50s in Devil's Lake to the mid-60s right now from the Southern Valley and into Lakes Country. And the wind flipping around to more of a northwesterly direction, and wind speeds around 5 to 15 miles per hour right now. So going through the rest of the evening into the early overnight, we've got cloudy skies with some showers possible, and then a clearing trend as we go through your early Sunday morning. Temperatures with the clear skies for lows getting into the low to mid 50s. Well, we have a nice day in store for Sunday and Monday with a warm up. We'll get into that and the full 7-day forecast that's coming up later in the newscast.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Justin. Just like that, another summer is coming.
Mostly
September 9th. Now let's take a look outside and head on over to our meteorologist, Justin Fanfarelli, for our no-wait weather. Justin?
And we have mostly cloudy skies, but the rain has moved off to the south and to the east of our Valley News Live. A Storm Team Skycam network shot at the Dakota Magic Casino, and the winds have flipped around to more of a northwesterly direction, and they are pretty light. Here's a look at the current temperatures around the region. Fargo into the upper 60s, but everybody else, as you make your way into the Northern Valley, Lakes Country, northwestern Minnesota, into the lower 60s right now, and some upper 50s on the map in our western counties out toward Devil's Lake and Jamestown. The wind has flipped from a southerly direction to more of a northwesterly direction, and we're seeing the wind on this map around 5 to 15 miles per hour, and also getting drier. Dew point values have come down into the Northern Valley, Devil's Lake Basin, Jamestown area. Dew points in the lower 50s, still some lower 60s on the map into Lakes Country, but drier air is filtering in right now. We still have a line of some strong storms that have just exited our viewing area to the east, so they will be approaching St. Cloud, portions of north central Minnesota, and eventually the Minneapolis area and Sioux Falls area if they hold together. Right now we have some post-frontal showers across northwestern Minnesota and Lakes Country, and a dry slot up and down the Red River Valley. Still some thunderstorm activity into Wadena County, but it looks like most of that activity is moving off to the east with some light to moderate intensity rain, Fergus Falls, Perham, into portions of eastern Becker County, and just off to the south of Baudette and across Beltrami County, some showers, and also some post-frontal showers showing up from Jamestown and points off to the south toward the South Dakota border. We are tracking this cold front that is continuing to make its way through, warmer air and humid air ahead of it, and we got the cool and dry air filtering in. High pressure is also working its way in. It will clear us out as we go through the night tonight. First off, we do have some shower activity possible into the early overnight. Then the clouds will clear out. More sunshine as we start off your Sunday with low temperatures into the lower 50s for most of us, and then mostly sunny skies going through the day tomorrow. High temperatures will be cooler into the mid-70s with sunny to mostly sunny skies and that westerly wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Up and down the valley, there's your mid-70s, but some upper 60s and lower 70s across our Minnesota counties, and out toward Jamestown and Devil's Lake into the lower 70s, which is pretty cool for this time of year. We should be closer to that 80-degree mark. Then for the day on Monday, starting off near the 60-degree mark, mostly sunny skies throughout the daylight hours, and with that southerly wind, high temperatures into the low 80s for most of us. And our next chance of some showers and storms comes overnight Monday into Tuesday, and some of these storms could be strong to severe, already a marginal risk out for Monday night into the overnight on Tuesday. Here's the photo of the day. This one is called Moonlight in Lake Park, Minnesota. Thank you to Dean for this one. We'll use it in the background of the 7-day forecast. Next couple of days look pretty good. A little cool on tomorrow, a high of 75, then 82 for Monday. And there's your storm chance overnight Monday into Tuesday, a high of 75. But by Tuesday afternoon, back to mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Mostly sunny Wednesday up to 76 degrees, 80 on Thursday, partly cloudy, and more chances for some showers and thunderstorms for Friday and Saturday, but staying warm for this time of year, low to mid 80s.
So it looks like people have something to look forward to for tomorrow.
Yeah, the pick of the weekend is tomorrow. A lot of people got rain down in their events today, but a lot of sunshine for your Sunday.
All right, well, thank you, Justin. Still ahead tonight, a plane crash in New Orleans killed 2 people.
Back to school.
And as we go through this evening into the early overnight, we do have a chance of some showers. Otherwise, mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures falling back through the 60s into the upper 50s, and a clearing trend as we go overnight and into the day on Sunday. And then by Sunday afternoon, mostly sunny skies across the region, up and down the valley into the mid-70s and into the upper 60s and lower 70s as you make your way outside the valley. Now, extending the forecast, going through your Sunday and Monday, mostly sunny skies. Temperatures rising from the mid-70s to lower 80s. Another storm chance Monday night into Tuesday, a high of 75, 76 on Wednesday with mostly sunny skies. On Thursday, partly cloudy, a high of 80. And for Friday and Saturday, low to mid-80s with more storm chances.
All right, thanks, Justin. 3 polar wolf cubs ventured out of their den at a zoo in... of a funnel cloud just east of Gwinner, and one more from Jeremy just south of Lisbon. Thank you, Jeremy. Now let's head on over to our meteorologist, Justin Fanfarelli, for the latest in our no-wait weather. Justin?
Yeah, thank you, Katie. Good evening, everybody. Yeah, atmospheric conditions just right for some strong storms, and some of them produced funnel clouds. We had multiple pictures sent to us. Thank you to everybody who sent those in. Now, the severe weather threat has ended for the evening as the storms have pushed off well off to the south and to the east of our viewing area, but still some post-frontal showers stretching from Bemidji down into portions of eastern Becker and Otter Tail County, Grant County, and some more showers from Jamestown to Ellendale and down toward the Sisseton area. Everybody else is seeing mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures on their way down, mid-50s already into the Devil's Lake Basin, upper 50s out toward Jamestown. Everybody else into the low to mid-60s. The wind flips around to the north and to the west around 5 to 15 miles per hour, pumping down cool and dry air. Chance of some showers into the early overnight. Then a nice clearing trend that will last through the day on Sunday with a lot of sunshine. We'll tell you what the rest of the 7-day forecast looks like. That's coming up later in the newscast.
All right. Well, thank you, Justin. Another summer is coming to an end. Ninth.
Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with no-wait weather.
And here's a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot at Luther Family Ford. This is I-29 at the 32nd Avenue exit in Fargo with mostly cloudy skies as of right now. The wind's starting to pick up from a northerly and westerly direction, and that's pumping in cool and dry air at 66 degrees right now in Fargo, which is one of the warm spots, lower 60s into Lakes Country, but look out toward Devil's Lake in Jamestown, mid to upper 50s right now. The wind flipping around from a southerly direction, which we had earlier today, to more of a northwesterly direction, and wind speeds around 5 to 15 miles per hour. And taking a look at the dew point, we had dew point values into the mid to upper 60s, especially into the Southern Valley and Lakes Country going through the afternoon, but drier air filtering in still into the lower 60s in Lakes Country, but 50s up and down the Red River Valley, and dew point values closer to the upper 40s into the Devil's Lake Basin. So here's what we're looking at in terms of where the storms are right now. We still have some strong storms stretching from northern Minnesota down toward the St. Cloud area and back towards Sioux Falls, which is in a severe thunderstorm warning. Most of the energy is well off to our south right now. We are still seeing some post-frontal showers from eastern Becker, eastern Otter Tail, Grant County, Hubbard, Wadena, and portions of Beltrami County. Into the Red River Valley, we are mainly dry with cloudy skies, but some more showers are approaching from the south and to the west. Post-frontal showers from Jamestown points off to the south toward the South Dakota border, and now approaching areas just off to the south of Valley City, including Lisbon and Gwinner, and getting into the Lidgerwood area. These showers are just not really going to be that strong. The main weather event is well off to our south and to our east. The high pressure working its way in will clear us out in terms of cloud cover as we go through the overnight. Any of the rain showers ending, and then mostly clear skies. A cool start to your Sunday. Some areas into the low to mid 50s, and we're going to stay cool. We still got that northerly flow, so temperatures into the low to mid 70s across the region. We should be closer to that 80-degree mark, so we'll say just a little below average. There's your 75 in Fargo with mostly sunny skies. Tomorrow outside of the Red River Valley, we're going to be into the upper 60s to lower 70s, but a lot of sunshine as we keep a westerly or northwesterly wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. Going through the day on Monday, temperatures starting off near that 60-degree mark, lots of sunshine through the daytime hours, and temperatures even warmer into the upper 70s and lower 80s for most of us. And then our next chance of some showers and thunderstorms, some of them could be strong to severe late Monday and through the overnight into Tuesday morning. Already a marginal risk of severe weather for this event, so we're good until Monday evening. Here's the photo of the day. It's called Moonlight in Lake Park, Minnesota. Thank you to Dean for this one. We'll use it in the background of the 7-day forecast, and there's your 75 tomorrow and 82 on Monday. Mostly sunny skies with overnight showers and thunderstorms for your Tuesday, and then clearing going through Tuesday afternoon, a high of 75. Still into the mid-70s on Wednesday, mostly sunny and partly cloudy Thursday, a high of 80. And then Friday and Saturday, active weather pattern again resumes. We have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms, low to mid-80s to round it next week, start next weekend.
That rain is hitting us again next weekend, it looks like.
Yeah, it looks like we're mainly dry until then, but we're going to have a lot of sunshine. It'll be a little warmer.
Something to look forward to. Thanks, Justin.
Yep.
Still ahead tonight, a plane crash.
Mainly
Car Monster Energy Cup Series.
All right, well, thank you, Alex. Now let's send it on over to Justin Fanfarelli for a last look at our weather. Justin?
And we do have mainly cloudy skies with showers possible as we go through later on this evening into the early overnight. Then we'll start a clearing trend to be clear by tomorrow at sunrise. Temperatures falling back through the 60s into the upper 50s as we will have a wind from the northwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now for the day tomorrow, we've got temperatures up and down the valley into the mid 70s, upper 60s and lower 70s outside the valley. And then going through the day on Monday, mostly sunny skies and a high of 82 degrees. Our next chance of some showers and thunderstorms overnight Monday into Tuesday morning, and by Tuesday afternoon, partly cloudy skies. Mid-70s through Wednesday. Next chance of some showers and storms after that. Friday and Saturday as we warm it up into the low to mid-80s. So we're going to be above average as we round out the work week and go through the weekend.
Well, it's good to see that rain's moving out tonight.
Rain's moving out tonight. We're going to have a nice clearing trend. Nice day tomorrow.
Well, thank you, Justin, and thank you so much for tuning in. We hope you have a wonderful rest of your night. A beautiful sunny day in Fargo. Let's take a look outside and head on over to our meteorologist, Justin Fanfarelli, for our No-Wait weather. Justin?
And thank you, Katie. Good evening, everybody. Here's a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. And this is our Tower Cam time lapse. And we had a few clouds into the morning, then some sunshine, and just a few more clouds into the afternoon. Temperatures getting up there into the low to mid 70s. And let's take a live look outside. This is the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot at the Dakota Magic Casino, where we are having mainly clear skies right now with just a light breeze from a northwesterly direction. The high temperatures across the region today up and down the valley into the mid 70s, some upper 70s the further north you get, but outside the valley into the lower 70s. And current temperatures are down to the lower 60s into the southern valley and lakes country, some upper 50s there also as you make your way out toward the Valley City area, Park Rapids. And we're seeing some mid 50s to lower 60s on the map across the northern valley and northwestern Minnesota, and the warm spot out toward Devil's Lake at 68 degrees. The winds across the region flipping around from a northwesterly wind yesterday to more of a southerly wind as we made our way through the afternoon. South winds around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now, we are mainly clear across most of the region as of right now, just a few passing clouds just off to the north and to the west of our viewing area. High pressure in charge of our forecast. It is cresting over us. The wind flipping around to a southerly direction, and we will continue to have a southerly wind as we go through the day tomorrow before another front makes its way through. It gives us a chance of some rain. So clear skies during the overnight, maybe some clouds up north. Temperatures getting into the mid-50s to near 60 degrees with that light southerly wind. Now making our way through the day on Monday, temperatures into the low to mid-80s with the sunshine and the southerly wind. Most of the daylight hours on Monday look good before some showers and thunderstorms develop very late into the evening into central North Dakota. Here's your Monday planner at 84 degrees, lots of sunshine into the Fargo area, an increase in the clouds later on to the day with those southwesterly winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour. And across the region, lower 80s outside the valley, mid 80s up and down the valley. Now, as we make our way through Monday night into Tuesday morning, we do have our next chance of some thunderstorms. Some of them could be strong to severe. Marginal risk of severe weather for most of the viewing area. Let's take a look at that hour-by-hour forecast. This is midnight on Tuesday. We're looking at our model showing some storms developing mainly into our northern counties right now. This is around 3:30 a.m. Some of these storms could be strong to severe as the front makes its way through. They will continue to move through our Minnesota counties. This is around 6 a.m. and then they're out of here by later on into the morning. We have more sunshine making our way through the afternoon, but the wind flipping around in more of a northerly direction, and it will be cooler. Highs only into the mid-70s. Here's the photo of the day. It's called North Dakota Nights. Thank you, Justine, for this one, using the background of the 7-day forecast. And recapping the next couple of days, Monday mostly sunny with those storm chances overnight into Tuesday morning. Then by Tuesday afternoon, back to sunshine, a high of 75, 76 on Wednesday, and 80 on Thursday. Mostly sunny skies. Our next chance of some showers and thunderstorms Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, as highs will remain into the upper 70s and lower 80s.
So plenty of chances for rain this upcoming week.
Yeah, we will see a lot of sunshine, especially in the first half of the week, and then more active into next weekend.
All right. Well, thank you, Justin. Video shows the damage left behind
down the valley into the mid. We have mostly clear skies into the overnight period. Temperatures falling back into the upper 50s. We're going to keep that southerly wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour going through the day tomorrow. That combined with a lot of sunshine, getting temperatures up there, up and down the valley into the mid 80s, outside the valley into the upper 70s and lower 80s. Our next chance of some showers and thunderstorms comes overnight, Monday into Tuesday morning, and we do have a chance that some of those could be strong to severe. Then lots of sunshine Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe the first part of Friday. Temperatures rising through the 70s into the lower 80s. Chances of some showers and thunderstorms making our way through later Friday, Saturday, and into next Sunday.
All right. Well, thank you, Justin. Today in Oregon, just blocks away from dueling protests, a different...
Your material.
As they get older, they would experience.
You can learn more and sign up at bismarckymca.org.
Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
Now let's take a look at our tower cam time lapse. The Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. We got rid of the last of the clouds from the rain that came through yesterday in the morning, and then clear skies through the late morning into early afternoon, and just a few passing clouds into the later afternoon. Lots of sunshine today with temperatures getting into the low to mid 70s. Here's a live look outside on our Storm Team Skycam Network shot at Luther Family Ford in Fargo. And we are seeing mostly clear skies right now. And because of the clear skies, temperatures on their way down. We had high temperatures into the mid-70s up and down the valley, some upper 70s into the far northern valley, and outside the valley into the lower 70s. And right now, with the clear skies, we have cooled off at 58 right now in Fargo and out toward Jamestown. Some mid-50s on the map, Valley City, Cooper. Cooperstown out toward the Wadena area. Still closer to 60 from Fergus Falls to Detroit Lakes. One of the warm spots at Devil's Lake right now at 66 degrees, mid to upper 50s into the Northern Valley in northwestern Minnesota right now. We are keeping a little bit of a southerly wind at 5 to 15 miles per hour, so temperatures are not really going to fall that much as we keep that warm flow from the south during the overnight period. Mostly clear skies, the story as of right now. We are seeing a slight increase in the clouds just off to the north and to the west of our viewing area, and some very light shower activity along the Canadian border, but otherwise mainly dry. High pressure in charge of our forecast right now. We had that cool northerly flow during the overnight period, but the high is cresting over us. Now we have more of a southerly flow. It is pretty light out there. We do have a little bit of a warm front making its way through that is sparking off those really light showers, but nothing really of significance on the map as we go through the next, say, 24 hours or so. So we got mostly clear skies tonight. We're going to keep that southerly wind with temperatures falling into the mid to upper 50s, and then with a lot of sunshine, and we keep that southerly or southwesterly wind tomorrow. High temperatures will be into the low to mid 80s. Most of the daylight hours on Monday look really good with mostly sunny skies and a slight increase in the clouds going through the evening. There's your high of 84 degrees in Fargo with the sunshine, and that increase in the clouds later on after the sun sets up and down the valley into the mid 80s outside the valley into the lower 80s. Plenty of sunshine. And then as we go through the overnight Monday into Tuesday, we do have our next chance of some thunderstorms, and some of them could be strong to severe. A marginal risk of severe weather for the overnight period into Tuesday morning, meaning some of the storms, one or two of them, could contain some large hail and damaging winds. Here's how it looks on the hour-by-hour forecast with the storms moving through during the overnight period. This is around 3:30 a.m. and will advance to around 6 a.m., forming a line and moving across northwestern Minnesota. And after sunrise on Tuesday, we will see decreasing clouds and back to mainly sunny skies, that wind flipping around in more of a northerly direction, cooling us off into the low to mid 70s for highs for your Tuesday. Here's the photo of the day. It's called North Dakota Nights. Thank you to Justine for this one, using the background of the 7-day forecast. And there's your sunny skies for most of Monday, a high of 84 with those storms overnight into Tuesday, high of 75, clearing for Tuesday afternoon, and then mainly sunny Wednesday and Thursday, mid to upper 70s, near 80, and by Thursday. And then for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, more active, upper 70s and lower 80s. We do have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms as we approach and then go through next weekend.
So it looks like we have plenty of chances for rain, but also plenty of chances for some sunshine.
Yeah, best chance to see a lot of sun into the early to midweek period, and then we get more chances of some showers and storms later.
All right, well, thank you, Justin. Video shows the damage left behind.
Rug tent sale at Home World Rugs.
And we got mostly clear skies into the overnight hours. Temperatures into the mid to upper 50s for lows with that southerly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Going to keep that southerly wind and a lot of sunshine through the day tomorrow. The daylight hours will be dry, but there's a chance of some showers and storms into the overnight. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to the mid 80s depending on where you are. Some of those storms on Tuesday morning could be strong to severe, but back to more sunshine by the afternoon hours. Mid 70s through Wednesday, mostly sunny skies through Thursday, and temperatures rising back through the 80s and more active Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. A chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures stay near that 80-degree mark through next weekend.
So it looks like you should enjoy the first half of the week before the second half of the week.
Yeah, we have a few days with a lot of sunshine.
All right. Well, thank you, Justin, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful night.